Alright guys, we are back with another video. Today we are going to be coding sliders, specifically RGB sliders. Now you guys know what RGB is, but that's not the RGB I'm referring to. I am referring to the colors red, green, and blue. And I had to keep it like that so it would be easy for you guys to remember. And also so I could put this in the thumbnail and you guys click on the video. So let's go right into this video. And guys, obviously the first thing you want to do is have your function set up and draw functions. Those are always the first things you want to do in code. And then we have our R. Let me just get the easy stuff out of the way. We have our R slider position, G slider position, and B slider position. Those are really kind of the easiest part of this code to just kind of get. It's basically just where your sliders are. You want to put these under create sliders so that it look more, or it will be more, because obviously create and then you choose the position for it. For the create sliders, that's actually for the colors that the sliders will generate when you start using them. So I have mine on obviously these colors. These are I believe the hex codes or the RGB codes for red, green, and blue. So that's that, and we have our, and we obviously have the colors for each color for the three colors I chose. And then we have to set our value, our constant value for R, G, and B. So we have that as well. We have our slider value, and then for the background you just want to put R, G, and B, because we've already chosen, because we want the background to adjust whenever we are dragging those sliders across. And if you have like another color, then the background isn't going to change colors whenever you switch the sliders. So just put that on R, G, and B. And then we obviously have our text there. It's pretty self-explanatory for the colors and whatnot. And obviously for these colors, we have, these are the three most basic colors to, just kind of keep in your head. R, G, and B, it's a good way to remember it. And then we also have to we also have to have our let and everything. Let basically just allows things to be there. So we have our R slider, G slider, B slider. And then we have at the end here, at the end of this video, because this is a voiceover, I'm really just kind of messing around with all the different kind of combinations. Between red and blue, they form purple. You guys probably know that. I just wanted to point that out because that's just a random thing I like to do. But there's like a lot of combinations. There are more colors you can add. If you want to add colors, leave a like and we can go over that in another video. I didn't do that today, but you guys can add colors like yellow, orange, those type of colors. You guys can add those to your code, and it really won't affect any of the other things as long as you keep everything else the same. So, towards the end of this video, I'm just kind of messing around with all the different colors and everything. I did make one mistake though, but it wasn't really too big. I actually had for for constants, I had, instead of RG and B, I had RGG. Now that is, simple mistakes, simple mess ups that you guys may have in your code. And sometimes, it's not going to come up in your terminals and your problems where you have to debug it and whatnot. Sometimes it's not going to come because it's minor stuff like that the code's not going to see as a, problem. Now, if something is misspelled or it's not like a term that the code doesn't know or the terminals don't know, then it'll alert you. But this is really just, simple mistakes, simple mess ups that you have to watch out for. And obviously I went in there and changed that. But that's all for today's video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We upload 5 days a week on this channel. We're going to continue to upload consistently for the rest of this week, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.